What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Man, I know I've been on a hiatus, man, but I've been shaking, rattling, rolling. I be having a lot of stuff going on outside the car and stuff too. Try to get it together, so it just been some work, man. But I've been moving and grooving. But today, what we about to do to keep y'all in the loop of everything, I'm about to dig Dolo out, which is amazingly way up there at the top. Way up there at the top, man. Y'all know Dolo never hardly ever at the top. But Dolo about to go to Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. We finally finna get the anti-roll bar put on. And the new double adjustable upper and lower rear control arms. Which I know bought a while back, but we just never finna make it go ahead and shake. So then I'm finna bring Dolo back out on the radials. Let that joker eat. And yeah, that's the plan. So the next event coming up, I plan on trying to bring both of the boxes out, Meech and Dolo together, man. So try to do some double trouble. So we finna move R&B, Emma, Grandma Nana, then get Dolo out. And Nana's going up to the top. So yeah, that's what we about to do. We're trying to beat the rain, because we're going to be having rain all day. We got us a window, so me and wife finna hustle and get it on down there. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Finally got Dolo dug out. We had to move some stuff, man. I can't wait till my shop get done and get put up, man. I won't have to be... Well, I still have to move some stuff no matter what, but it won't be as bad. I don't guess. But had to rinse the tile, man, because, you know, we got all that mud. I ain't never pressure wash up that top half of the driveway, so... You know, kind of is what it is. Got me some racing gas in the back, just in case. Y'all know what that means when I use grab a can of racing gas. The gas on life support. So we're gonna try to make it to the gas station first. Then get over, then get over here to Jesse and holler at him. And then I'm gonna get him to run through the valves and stuff too. He gonna do all that, just you know, just maintenance stuff while it's over there. So yeah, let's see if we make it to the gas station, y'all. I'm running out of gas right before the gas station. I'm right up straight from the gas station. I'm finna roll it though. I'm talking about this joker out of gas too, boy. Let me cut it off. Let me cut fuel bump it out. I ran out of gas, man. Y'all stay, y'all. I did run out of gas. And I rolled right to the gas pump. So man, I'm finna throw $20 in this joker, man. $30 is well, it don't take more than $20 to get there. But I'm gonna gas up, man. Turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, we take it in. So man, y'all see we made it down here to Lawless and Big Dolo. Gonna get that roll bar put on. Just gonna do a little tune, all that. Well, y'all know he tuning. He gonna check the valve and all that stuff, man. So you know, we finna get that work. Bring it back out. The tire still dirty. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So the next day, man, we back from dropping Dolo off. We had too much action, but today I'm finna dig out Meech, and then I'm finna go ahead and make a quick little shakedown call. We got a little cloud cover coming, but we got time, man. Ain't started doing that yet, so we finna move quick. I'm gonna tune in y'all from the GoPro. Like I said, we're gonna shake Meech down, cause I wanna try some converting all that. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Man, made it back. It was a little sprinkle on the way. Man, it hot, boy. It hot, boy. Pouring sweat. But it real humid today. We finally got a little breeze, but it looked like the bottom finna fall out. Me and wife got back and got the what's the name car put up. My big bro, he was out there too. He done took off now, but he was out there. He got a little clip too. So we was out there, want to shut that joker down, and y'all see, hey, that converter, man, on the money. That converter on the money, man. That joker didn't want to stop, boy. That joker didn't want to stop, man. I said, oh, I felt it grab, boom. I said, ooh, we riding. Look, right in time too. It like it coming down fast enough, and it right in time. But I said, ooh, boy, that joker was riding, boy, that joker coming up through there. I'm talking about, it was coming up through there on the rim, man. I said, Meech is on a mission. I had to put him back up. I was gonna leave him on the back. I was gonna leave him right here. I said, nah, I'm gonna put you up. You can put up. That joker, they'll ride, man. Hughes got that converter right. The RPM drop, kick down like they supposed to. They kick down even better on the fold cause, you know, it changed the running gear. And that's what I'm gonna have to do. Calm it down some, change the ring and pinion. So I'm gonna buy me a whole another third member. That's why it's so violent on nights and stuff too. I'm gonna buy another third member. When you make a lot of horsepower, you don't need a what's the name? A short ring gear, aka numerically taller. You don't need that when you got a lot of power. When you don't have a lot of power, then you need that, and it's based on the tire size too. So you know, I try to get something that's in the middle, cause 24s in. What's the name? Radios try to cut in the middle. But that nag was riding, boy. I said, ooh. And I know people probably looked at like, Jay, that was close. That was far from close, man. It wasn't even nothing to get scared about. I wasn't scared in there, nothing. Had everything under control. That was far from sketchy. I don't even call that sketchy. I did something like that right there plenty of time. But then that hun coming up through there, man. And y'all see Big Dolo will be back. When it come back, we hitting the track. I'm being full effects. Man. I'm gonna get some new shoes for it. Some more 60, man, cause y'all know that with my rim car. I ain't got no rims right now for it. So I'm gonna get some more. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do, honestly. I ain't gonna cap y'all. So I put these going back on Dolo. I like these wheels on Dolo, man. I like them on Don't Game. I like them on Don't Game too, but I like them on Dolo. And that's why I put the bigger cut 25 series tire. So these wheels gonna go back on Dolo. I'm gonna buy some new wheels with a smaller cut 25 series tire and put them on Don't Game. They're gonna be similar design though. So y'all stay tuned to that. I'm gonna have something coming for that. And when they come, I'm gonna put those on Don't Game, and these will go back on Dolo. Well, Dolo in here. It'll go back on Dolo. But for right now, I went tripping cause I already knew my plan, and I was like, man, Dolo finna get the anti-roll bar and the double adjustable upper and lower rear control on, and then I'm finna put the radio back on, and then put the bottle back in that joker, and I'm finna get to it. I'm finna let that joker eat. So y'all know, last year was just a glimpse of what Dolo do and all that. So I'm gonna let that joker eat, cause y'all know it twisting and all that. So I'm like, let me get that handle. I was driving the car, enjoying it. Got the rear tail lights fixed. Then got the windows working. All that little knick-knack stuff taking care of that. And I'm finna go get the AC hooked up too. I'm gonna go ahead and get that taken care of, get the AC done. And yeah, man, you know, we finna be ready to shake, rattle, and roll, man. So that's what it gonna be. But then that right here is something fierce, boy. This joker here, I might leave it guy put up about a couple days, man. Then next track outing, I'm probably gonna take it out on 24s. So I try to balance it out for y'all too. Even though I'm not seriously trying to competitively race on rims with Meech. That's more for Dolo lane. That's why I ain't never told the time on what Dolo run on wheels. But that's more Dolo lane. But and that's my original plan. That's why when I had two boxes, I built Dolo for wheels and to strictly run on wheels. Of course, it's fast on radios and stuff too. But I built it to run on wheels and this was my small tie car. And this thing ain't supposed to have 24s on it. It just ended up just the way the cookie crumbled. Cause when I bought R&B rims, and if you know the story, the backstory on that, you've been watching it, you already know. So that's what it is, man. But I'm glad y'all got to see some action, man. I know y'all probably been like, Jay, where you been at? I've been around, man. I know I ain't been daily vlogging and stuff, y'all, cause I've been busy with other stuff too, man. Like, but I got a lot of stuff coming. I've been shooting a lot of skits and stuff too. I got them coming. And y'all know the fleet running, the whole fleet running, been running for a while. I'm finna go, I'm talking about head first in on Don't Game. So that's why I said I've been laying and just chilling, laying low. Cause I'm finna go head first on Don't Game. I'm telling you, I can't take it no longer. I was trying to keep this motor for a year, but it's just a little too slow, man. It's a little too slow. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna address the rear first. Put some gears back there. It needs some gears, man. Some gears will help it out for one thing. So I'm gonna address that. I might proceed forward with a 350. I'm gonna do a 350 build too. I'm still gonna do that, which I might use that as a base. But this joke gotta get the big block, man. It gotta get the big block. I can't take it. It got to get the big block. And y'all know how I get down. You never know. I might pull a rabbit out the hat. Boom. I pull a rabbit out the hat, man. You don't know, but I'm gonna tell y'all this. Right now, Jay, where is this gonna fit in the fleet as far as speed? Right now, I don't know, but I got a mean plan I'm kind of cooking up right now, and the way that plan goes, cause the plan can either go this way or this way. Either way, it's gonna be good. It ain't no bad. It go left or right, but both are good. Now, depending on which direction that plan gonna go, this right here could be either second or third fastest in the fleet. And no matter what, it's gonna be second or third fastest in the fleet. So just depending on how that plan go, cause I'm gonna put something nice in it now. A big block. I'm gonna put a big block. Y'all know, a dependable big block, AC, everything. But that joker gonna be a hog, straight up. It's gonna be a hog. So yeah, that's what it is though, man. Like I said, we got Dolo down there. When Dolo come back, we're gonna tune it up, put Fred plugs in it, throw the radius back on there, and we're going to the track. So Dolo next in line to go to the track. In between time, if Dolo not done, by that time, man, we'll take Meech on the foes. It kind of crazy, cause I've been wanting to, it's so much I've been wanting to take for y'all. I want y'all to see, I still want to take brown coat. Cause we ain't got time on brown coat since the transmission been fixed. And I want to know what it do myself, because people want to play around with buying it. I'm gonna go in on that too. Y'all know last time, remember, for my OG subscriber, remember what happened last time, man, when Dolo, the engine failed in Dolo, and then I turned around, I tried to sell the roller, right? And today's time, people go back and look at the price I wanted for the roller, what they selling for today's price of the rollers that's already ready. I bet people like, man, should have bought it. So when people kept playing around with Dolo, look at what it turned into. I said, I got mad. I said, all right. And I put a hog in there. I put my combination in there. That joke came out hard like 8-ball and MJG. So what y'all think gonna happen to that right there? I said, all right, cool. Ain't no pressure on selling it. It's just people always ask, man, what you want for this? What you want for that? And I know they ain't gonna want to pay what I want for them. I already know. That's why I don't like to entertain that, man. Like, what you want for it? Just know my stuff ain't gonna be cheap, cause it's right. And I know what it costs to do it. You can get a car that run that fast. It's all in what you want at the end of the day when buying the car. All these cars got their own price tag on them. You can get something clean. People say a clean car. They're semi-show car clean. Paint job, wheels, interior, music. Not frame off nothing. Stock 305s, run more clean, AC and everything work. People sell them for 30 bands. All right, people buy them, but you slow. You clean, but you slow. Okay. People buy race car rollers, chrome moly roll cage, tubular fronts, tube chassis, this and that, 10.5 certified, man, just everything. Just a roller. A race car roller might have some wheel rim, might be primal, but it got all the work. $40,000 for a roller. Depending on what you want to do. People sell stuff that's clean. Paint, wheels, interior, frame off. Everything been touched. $350. But it's show car clean, frame off. $60,000, $70,000. People sell stuff that ain't clean. But the drivetrain is in there, boy. I'm talking about joker fast, isn't it? $20,000. So it all depends on what you want, man. Just like you know, some people go buy a Hellcat. They go buy a Hellcat Scat Pack, anywhere between 45 up to 100,000, depending on the year. And they only go so fast, but you're paying for the amenities, man. You're paying for the comfort, paying for the AC, the reliability, the heat, the comfort, the comfortable seats, the leather. You paying for all that, the aesthetic appearance of it. It's what you want at the end of the day. So you know. Anyway, that's here nor there. So since y'all know I went prepared to sell it, but it was a lot of capping going on. So I pushed it up to the top, right? I ain't fooling with it right now. Cause I'm on Don't Gang. They did my next project. Everything else running. I'm gonna put the nitrous on it just to show people. But when I say I'm finna go in on it, I'm finna go in. And y'all remember, when I went in on Dolo, it came out a whole nother car. It came out a whole nother car, so just stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna pull a rabbit out the hat on that. But yeah, man, like same thing R&B. Remit R&B, she got quick. But I just do stuff to my nature. I'm telling you, these people gonna make me. I mess around and build something light, it's gonna be ugly. I'm out here swinging with these heavyweights. I'm out here with these heavyweights. People, you don't do this and that. I'm out here with a heavyweight. I showed the world how fast I got a box Chevy, the full weight box Chevy to go with my combination. What you think I'm gonna do with a truck? Or 2,000 or under 3,000 pound truck? Or like I said, if I did a G-body, folk like they ride. Folk like that boy on the back wheel all the way straight. Folk like, Jay, why you don't do a G-body? They light, they easier. They easy for me. A Mustang, a Fox body, yeah, easy. Man, I ain't gonna tell you no lie. If I did any of these cars, a light car, man, I had me a 4-second street car. No cap. I ain't lying. I just got it up here to do it. I have a 4-second street car that I can drive, 490. I ain't lying. I just don't want to go that fast though. I told you I don't want to go that fast. But anyway, stay tuned, man. We coming. Meech made a bean shakedown. Dolo at Lawler Street car. We about to get it in, man. So I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later, BCG. We out.